calling all Outback Deck customers. My name is David, Marketing Manager for Outback Deck. It's been almost a year since we rolled out our customer referral program called 3 and 6. Since then, only one customer has been able to complete the program. So we wanted to take a moment and re-explain this simple and customer-focused rebate program so that you don't miss out.
If you refer someone to Outback Deck and they receive our price presentation, we will give you, the referrer, $100. If 3 people who you refer to any of our 3 companies become new customers, we will refund $2,500 of the purchase price of your project. If 3 additional people, for a total of 6, you refer to any of our 3 companies become new customers, we will refund you an additional $5,000 of the purchase price of your project. And by the way, if 6 of your friends and neighbors don't purchase from us, that's okay, because we will still pay you $100 for each person that you refer to us that receives our presentation. In other words, you have a chance to earn up to $7,500 in cashback rewards on your most recent home improvement project. There's no better time than now to act. Call us today.